Close your palm bottom over there. Mashallah. Now, how you know the boy and the girl? Always look at the mouth. If the mouth size is smaller, it's a family. That's why it's a falcon. You see the trainer is wearing a glove. Now, many people, when they see the trainer wearing gloves, they wonder why. Because the falcon, the eagle, the kite, the hawk, they don't like parrots. They land with power. It can scratch your hand. The one you're watching, it's not a. Come on, it's a best of three. Best of three. Take a fly, take a fly, take a fly. Mariam, come on, oh, Ron is speeding. It's okay, it's okay. Come on, let's slap it. Hey, yeah, that was good. So let's go for one more round for brewing the magic love. So this is going to be the ring toss. Here we are. 1, 2, go. Come on, let's give it a clap. Bravo! Let's clap your hand for both the teammates. Thank you so much. Cockatoos are famous in many places around the world like Australia, Brazil, Papua New Guinea and Philippines. Hey, can I tell everybody what's happening next week? Everybody here, huh? Dolphin? Okay. Let's clap your hand for Trainer Marlin because next week she's flying to Philippines to get married. Yes. What happened, man? You in the white shirt. You don't look happy. You. What's your name? Huh? Answer. Anybody else? A parrot. Okay. A rainbow parrot. A rainbow. Anybody else? A dolphin. Yes, mama. A bird. Okay. Anybody? Rainbow. My favorite. Anything.